If things went really bad and someone you love was traumatically injured right in front of you, could you save their life? That was a question I asked myself a few years ago when I started Ultimate Survival Tips. Since then, I've studied a ton of first aid guides, but I still couldn't find that one easy to follow, step-by-step guide to develop my skills and everyday carry as an emergency medical reference tool for when things go bad. But as riots became a frequent scene, crime hit all-time highs, and the pandemic touched everyone, all while the number of police, medical professionals, and first responders began to decline, I picked up my pace. My mission was now clear. I needed to develop an easy-to-use, step-by-step first aid and medical guide that anyone, regardless of prior knowledge or skill, could use as a proactive learning resource and a reactive reference tool to save lives when emergency medical services are delayed or not coming. So today, I'm excited to share with you the Tiny First Aid Guide, a step-by-step emergency medical response tool that you can carry everywhere, all the time.
The Tiny First Aid Guide is a compact, durable, credit card-sized medical resource that weighs less than an ounce and fits in a wallet, pocket, purse, glove box, first aid, emergency, or survival kit, yet unfolds to a whopping 9 by 23-inch 72-panel guide that is full of step-by-step life-saving skills. Inside this guide, you'll discover first aid and medical tips for almost any situation, including home, work, travel, wilderness mishaps, civil unrest, natural disasters, vehicle accidents, tactical and military operations, active shooter situations, worst-case scenarios, mass casualty incidents, hiking, camping, and hunting emergencies, and a lot more. Tiny First Aid Guide is packed with 51 color illustrations, 110 life-saving first aid skills, 167 expert emergency tips, 19 essential tactics first responders use to save lives, and 10 deadly mistakes you must avoid. Plus, you can unlock a bonus cache of online training resources by scanning the included 24 QR codes with your smartphone, a fully optimized everyday carry emergency response reference tool. The Tiny First Aid Guide can give you an extra measure of confidence to get out there, experience life to its fullest, and live your dreams without fear, knowing that you have a life insurance policy in your pocket. Step up to the smallest, lightest, most comprehensive wallet carry emergency medical and first aid guide ever developed. This is the Tiny First Aid Guide. Click the link on your screen, go to Amazon or ultimatesurvivaltips.com.